Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see your subscribers on YouTube mobile. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, as you can see here, I have both YouTube and YouTube Studio. But using these apps, you won't be able to see your subscribers. Now, how do we check our subscribers? So just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. All right. Could be Brave, Google Chrome, Safari. It's up to you. Okay. And go ahead and go to the search bar and type in YouTube Studio. All right. Once that's done, just hit on go. Now you might ask, you have YouTube Studio installed on your phone. Why won't you use that? Okay. Again, we won't be able to see our subscribers from there. We'll have to use YouTube Studio via web and then use the computer version of it. Okay, I'm going to show you. As you can see here in the first search result, we have YouTube Studio. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap and hold. And then I'm going to go ahead and tap on open a new tab. Okay, right here. Just tap on it. Now let's go ahead and open up the newly opened tab right here, YouTube. Now go ahead and log in. All right. Wait for it to load. Now go ahead and select the account where you wanted to check your subscribers. All right. For example, this account right here or this channel. Now it says here, get the app. Do not tap on this one. All right. Just go ahead and tap on continue to studio. Okay. And again, wait for it to load. And once it loads, as you can see here, we have the YouTube Studio, similar to the computer version of YouTube Studio. All right. As you can see here, we have this section which says recent subscribers. And here you have the list of your subscribers. All right. If you want to see all of your subscribers, just tap on this button. Tap on it. Now wait for it to load. All right. If you want to, you can go ahead and zoom in by using your fingers. All right. And as you can see, here I have the list of my subscribers or recent subscribers. And from here, you can go ahead and tap on the arrow right here to see the next page. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.